I'm making Happy Valentine's Day cards
Who are you making the Valentine's Day cards for?
for Freddie and Sophie and Kendall.
Freddie and Sophie and Kendall. Anyone else?
Yeah.
Who?
Cyan.
Oh, who is Cyan?
Lauren and Morgan.
Oh, are they your friends from Marin Day School?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. And how are you making your cards?
With sprinkles and hearts.
Oh, yeah, look at all those cards. Let's see here. What do they say? They say, Happy Valentine's Day. Good job, Dawson. Dawson, do you want to sing a song for the video camera?
A, B, C.
No, what about a song we haven't heard? Like, whoops. What about Raindrops on Roses?
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens. Rye copper kettles with warm wooden mittens. Round paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, I am feeling sad. I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so sad.
Yay!